guys, today my mom's going to make a recipe using rice flour, and this is what we're gonna do. We're going to pour 1 cup of water into a pan. Then we're going to pour a little salt. We're going to add a little salt. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. And then we're just going to close the lid and let it rest for a few minutes. We're going to add 1 cup of rice flour now. And we're just going to mix it slowly by adding little by little. Now we're going to turn off the stove because we need to let it cool down for a few minutes. Now I'm just going to put the lid on. After the dough cools down, you need to do a process to turn them into little balls. So take half the dough and you're just going to turn it into a soft and sticky substance by squishing it together. So we need to mix the dough together when it's warm, because if we mix it when it's cold, it won't actually stick together much. After you made it like dough, you're going to take part by part and turn them into small circles. And you're also going to add a little oil to it so it doesn't become really sticky to your hands. So you're going to take small piece by piece and you're just going to turn them into small balls. Like that. We're going to turn the whole entire dough into these small little balls in an igloo steamer. Once we put the balls, we're going to spread a little oil on them. So we're going to steam them for 10 minutes. So now we're going to fry our balls. First of all, we're going to add a little bit of oil into our pan. Next, we're going to add a few mustard seeds. Then some jeera, then a few peanuts, and then some chopped up red chili. Then we're just going to mix it for a little while. Now we're going to add some mint. Now we're going to add some mint and some onions. Now we're going to add a few vegetables and then close the lid and let it fry for a few minutes. Add a little salt, then a little turmeric, and then some coriander powder. Then mix it. After you mix it, we're going to add our little white balls that we made. Close the lid and boil it for about 2 minutes. Now it is ready for serving. Tasty and healthy snack is ready. Please serve with onions and lemons. If you like sour, make sure to squeeze your lemon. They are really tasty. If you like our recipe, please continue watching our videos and like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!